Welcome to the Olanta Public Library, and today I'm going to show y'all how to make candles using the microwave. So the first thing I need, I've got an 8-ounce jar right here. I need a candle wick, and to get that stuck to the bottom of the jar, I need a glue dot, which this is a double-sided glue dot. So I'm just gonna put this on the bottom of my wick like that. And I'm gonna use this, which this is to help me center the wick in the jar. So when you get it centered, just push down like that. And then all you do is pull it up and your wick is in the center of your jar. And now the second thing I need to do is I need to get my wax, which I've got that right here. And I did this program before, so I've got a little bit of melted wax in the bottom of this. But I'm gonna go ahead and fill this up about halfway with this. And then I'm gonna take it to the microwave and melt it. Alright, now that I have this melted in the microwave here, it took 2 minutes and 50 seconds. So now that I've got that melted, I don't want to pour it in yet, because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make this a scented candle, and the scent I'm using is sweet pea. And if I would have remembered, I would have had my scale here with me from home, because I only need about 70% of this. This is 1 ounce. That's good. I'm doing double scent in this candle. Double scent is, for this candle, it's 9% scent. So I'm just gonna take my glass here and pour my scent in. And now I'm gonna pour the wax in. And that's okay for this, that it didn't fill it up. All I'm gonna do is I'll get some more wax and melt it some more and pour that in there. Alright, now I've melted some more wax. Just gonna fill this up. And I'm gonna use a pencil, and the reason I'm using a pencil is to balance the wick so it doesn't fall back onto the edge. Still a little crooked. That's better. Okay, well, it's been about an hour and a half since reported, and it's firmed up. So what you want to do now, take some scissors and trim the wick. And now you have your candle, but you can't burn it yet. You've got to wait at least 24 hours. If you wait a week, it's even better. So I hope you enjoyed learning how to make candles.